Now that the dill is fully dry, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get it chopped up. What we're going to do is use our blender. So I'm just going to take it, and if it's still on some stems like this, just break it off. It's dry, so it shouldn't be hard. Pieces like this you can just go ahead and put in even with that little bit of stem. Once you've got your blender about halfway to 3/4 way full, go ahead and put your lid on it. Make sure that it's sealed all the way. Now that we've got it in the blender, I'm just going to put it on a low speed and just blend it really quickly. That is absolutely perfect. Okay, now that the dill's all chopped up, I'm going to go ahead and place it into a small mason jar using my canning funnel just to make sure I don't lose any. Pour it in there. And put a lid on it. The best way to store your herbs is in a cool, dry, dark location. And that's going to make them last longer and preserve their color. If you have any questions about how to harvest, dry, or store your dill, let me know and I'll be happy to help.